In this video, I show you how to reset your iPhone to factory settings. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on my iPhone. I just want to quickly note, I want to go and explain what you should do before resetting your iPhone, and then how to reset your iPhone, and then the final thing you should do after resetting your iPhone as well. So let's get right into this. So the first thing I recommend doing is backing up your iPhone and just making sure you've got a copy of things like photos, contacts, and other information like that, so you can go and put it onto your new phone. So there are two different ways you can do that. The first way is to go and back it up to iCloud. So to back up to iCloud, all you need to do is open your settings, then at the top of your settings, go and tap on your name, and all you need to then do is tap on the phone you're currently on. In this case, it's called GuideRealm. It says this iPhone 11, and then what you need to do is go and tap on iCloud backup, just like so, and you want to make sure you go and click up backup now. Now, as you can see, it says this iPhone cannot be backed up because there's not enough iCloud storage. That's probably the same for you guys as well. So if you have that issue, what I recommend doing is plugging your iPhone into your computer, and then you can go and back up all your information to your computer, and you don't need to go and pay for more iCloud storage. That's a quick workaround. And another thing you should do before resetting your iPhone is signing out of your iCloud account, just because sometimes if you haven't signed out of your iCloud account when you go and reset the iPhone, it can be locked to your iCloud account, which you do not want to do, because it means if someone buys your phone, then they may not be able to use it for themselves. So make sure you sign out of your iCloud account. To do that, go to the top of the settings and go and tap on your name, and then scroll to the bottom of this page just like so, and go and tap on sign out just like this. And what you need to do is firstly go and enter your password for your Apple ID to go and turn off Find My iPhone. And then once you've entered your password there and turned off Find My iPhone, you'll then be on this screen here saying keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. Data removed from this iPhone will still be available in iCloud. All items will be removed from your wallet. Make sure all of these are turned off, and then go and press sign out, and then you'll be signed out of iCloud. Now that you've backed up your iPhone and you signed out of iCloud, you're now ready to go and reset your iPhone. So what you need to do is go and open up the settings app just like I already am, and then go to your general page, and then in general scroll to the bottom of this page and go and tap on transfer or reset iPhone just like so. Then, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, we've got the option for erase all content and settings, but it also says at the top as well, make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone. So if you've got a new iPhone, go and transfer it all now. If you don't, then go and tap on erase all content and settings, and then you're going to get this screen here. As you can see, it's saying everything that's going to go and be removed. Press continue, and then you need to go and enter your passcode, and you just need to follow all of the instructions that Apple are going to give to you. It's a super easy process. Then it will take a few minutes for your iPhone to go and reset everything back to normal, back to how it was, or what they call it's called a factory reset, just be back to complete normal. And then it will take around 10 minutes and your iPhone will be reset to complete factory settings, and you're going to be on the home screen and it's all ready to be set up again. And what I recommend doing now is just going and removing your SIM card, especially if you are selling the phone or not using it anymore. Take out your old SIM card. To do that, go onto the side of your phone and you're going to notice a little hole. And what you need to do is get the SIM pin or just a paper clip or something like that. And you can quickly go and pop this sort of SIM tray out. You can then take the SIM out and push the tray back in. It's really easy. And then your iPhone is all ready to be sold or just given or put away for somebody else. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.